For this EI10 activity, you will hear 10 sentences on today's main theme. These sentences will start short and simple and increase in length and complexity. You will hear a beep. You will hear a sentence. You will hear a beep. You will speak out loud the sentence that you heard, as accurately as you can. If you don't remember the full sentence, speak as much as you can. You will definitely want to record your performance if you can. This way you can review your recording afterwards and see where you were correct and complete in your answers, and where you were not.
Global temperatures have risen rapidly. Fossil fuels emit harmful greenhouse gases. Drought affects agriculture around the world. Biodiversity loss is a critical environmental issue. Carbon emissions can have significant health impacts. Critics have argued for greener energy alternatives like solar. Agriculture's carbon emissions is one way it harms the environment. Solar power is a green solution that has been shown to reduce emissions. Increasing temperatures negatively impact polar ice and other ecosystems. Combating climate change will require both global cooperation and individual effort.
Stop your recording now. Good work. This is a challenging and sometimes frustrating activity, but as you improve, it will get easier. Remember, if you want to see the text of the audio prompts, you can access them in the newsletter.